Did you figure out how to use this thing?
Yes, it's so simple.
All right, so what did you do? Let me look. So you came in here, you turned on the power.
So an AGA oven, you turn on the powder here, and literally there's only two top burners. There's a boiling burner and a simmering burner. You hit one that you want to use.
Okay.
First you push your start button, which is here.
Don't burn the
And
eggs,
so
please.
they can't burn it. So they only have two things, and then this is your
Ovens.
a simmering oven, baking oven, warming oven, and your temperatures control. It's very simple. And they
Do
have
you use
to be
this
accordingly.
to raise temperature in
No,
that?
these don't raise temperatures. They stay only at one temperature, which is really cool because
So you just turn them on.
The eggs cook very slowly and they don't burn and everything's even.
So
All
this
you do
is
turn it on.
this is the on button right here for the whole thing,
For
and
the
then
whole
this is
thing.
the on button for
For the
these.
simmering top, your cooking flat.
Oh, all right. So we're figuring it out. How's this
So
work?
it's really easy.
Lynette, maybe put a little cheese on.
And I
I'm telling
went
you,
out
but those are
and
done.
I went out
I don't
and
want
cut,
mine any more done than that.
They're kind of runny.
I don't think so.
He wants some runny.
I went out and cut out fresh herb of chives, thyme, and oregano.
Right out of the garden.
Right out of the garden and put it
Wow.
on there.
Did you really?
I videoed chopping it up and cutting that, but I didn't.
Oh, you
talk-
did?
But I didn't talk about
Are
it.
you going to put any cheese
Oh,
on?
okay. We'll put that in the video.
It's already in there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, Chad, look at him.
Thank you.
He's gonna have some
Thank you.
dinner now.
Enough for you.